Looking for the best knife sharpener for your kitchen? In this video, we've picked the 5 best knife sharpeners on Amazon to help you find the perfect one. You'll find links to all the products in the description below. Let's get started with number 1. Number 1, we have the Sharp Pebble 5 Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener. A sharp knife makes cooking safer, faster, and more enjoyable, and this 3-stage knife sharpener is designed to bring dull blades back to life with ease. One of its standout features is the adjustable sharpening angle, allowing you to choose the ideal setting for different types of kitchen knives. The 3 sharpening stages help repair damaged edges, sharpen dull blades, and polish them for a smooth, razor-sharp finish. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, while the non-slip base keeps the sharpener stable during use for added safety. Whether you're sharpening chef's knives, utility knives, or everyday kitchen blades, this sharpener delivers reliable and consistent results. Combining precision, durability, and ease of use, it's an excellent tool for keeping your knives in top condition. Number 2, we have the AIERLIAN Rolling Knife Sharpener Kit. If you're looking for a modern and precise way to sharpen your kitchen knives, the AIERLIAN Rolling Knife Sharpener Kit is an excellent choice. Unlike traditional sharpeners, this innovative rolling design helps create a consistent edge while making the sharpening process simple and easy to control. The kit features both diamond and ceramic sharpening discs. The diamond disc quickly restores dull blades, while the ceramic disc refines and polishes the edge for a smooth, razor-sharp finish. This combination delivers professional-level sharpening right from your kitchen. Its magnetic angle guide helps hold the knife at the correct sharpening angle, making it easier to achieve accurate and consistent results every time. The durable wooden design also gives the sharpener a premium look while providing a comfortable and stable grip during use. Compatible with most kitchen knives made from different types of steel, this sharpener is perfect for chef's knives, santoku knives, utility knives, and many other everyday blades. Whether you're a home cook or a cooking enthusiast, the AIERLIAN Rolling Knife Sharpener Kit offers precision, durability, and outstanding performance to keep your knives sharp and ready for every meal. Number 3, we have the Orange Ninja 4-Stage Knife Sharpener. Keeping your kitchen knives sharp has never been easier. The Orange Ninja 4-Stage Knife Sharpener is designed to repair, sharpen, and polish dull blades, helping restore their cutting performance in just a few simple passes. Its 4-stage sharpening system includes dedicated slots for coarse sharpening, fine sharpening, polishing, and even serrated knives, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of kitchen blades. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable, secure grip, while the non-slip base keeps the sharpener stable for safer operation. Whether you're slicing vegetables, carving meat, or preparing everyday meals, this sharpener helps maintain a razor-sharp edge with minimal effort. Combining versatility, durability, and user-friendly design, the Orange Ninja 4-Stage Knife Sharpener is a reliable addition to any kitchen. Number 4, we have the 4-in-1 Manual Knife Sharpener. If you're looking for an affordable and versatile knife sharpener, this 4-in-1 manual knife sharpener is a great choice for everyday use. Designed with multiple sharpening slots, it helps repair, sharpen, and polish dull kitchen knives, while also including a dedicated slot for sharpening scissors. Built with durable tungsten steel and ceramic sharpening stages, it restores a sharp cutting edge quickly and efficiently. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while the non-slip base keeps the sharpener securely in place for added stability and safety during use. Whether you're sharpening chef's knives, utility knives, paring knives, or kitchen scissors, this compact sharpener delivers fast, reliable results. Combining versatility, ease of use, and dependable performance, it's a practical tool that helps keep your kitchen blades in excellent condition. Number 5, we have the Grihot VN3 Professional Knife Sharpener. If you're looking for a premium knife sharpener built for precision and durability, the Grihot VN3 Professional Knife Sharpener is an excellent choice. Its innovative 3-action sharpening system is designed to repair, restore, and sharpen dull blades, helping bring them back to peak performance. Built with high-quality tungsten carbide sharpening technology, it delivers fast and consistent results while maintaining a precise edge. The durable stainless steel construction provides excellent stability, and the replaceable sharpening blades help extend the life of the sharpener for long-term use. Whether you're sharpening chef's knives, utility knives, or other kitchen blades, this sharpener offers professional-level performance with simple operation. Combining premium materials, precision engineering, and reliable sharpening results, it's a smart investment for anyone who wants to keep their kitchen knives performing at their best. That wraps up our top 5 best knife sharpeners on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more top product recommendations. You'll find links to all the products in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.